Guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I am going to be not only unboxing my latest pair of Christian Louboutin Soacates, I am going to be showing you guys my whole collection as it stands today. So about maybe a year or so ago, if memory serves me correctly, I showed you guys my collection. You guys responded very well to that. It has since changed a little bit, not by a crazy amount, but enough for me to justify doing another collection video. So I'll be showing you guys the whole collection later on in the video, but I'm going to be getting into the unboxing first. And before I go ahead and take them out and show you guys the color, I thought it would be fun to kind of give you a hint as to what color they might be with what I'm wearing. So the colors in my apparel might appear in the shoes. But now we can go ahead and get right into it. So I was at the Louboutin outlet in Cabazon. I love that outlet. It is one of my favorite places in the world. And they all know me now. So I went in there, I saw Soacates, I walked out with them. So this is a different material for me. I have not gotten Louboutins in this kind of material, and I only have one other pair in a similar color. And my cat apparently wanted in on the fun too. So let's go ahead and get these out and show you guys what we're working with. So I saw these and I thought it's a bit unusual for me, but I'll go ahead and I'll try them on. And I did, and I wound up looking very, very nice. That's kind of what happened with my first pair of Louboutins in this color. I don't have too much of anything in this sort of color in my whole collection, so it's fun to try some new stuff, don't you think? And here we go. I'm not quite sure how to describe this pink, because depending on how the light hits it, it shows up in a different color, so that kind of makes these shoes a little bit different, a little bit fun. Sometimes I look at them and I think bubblegum, sometimes I look at them and I think it's fluorescent. It's definitely metallic. It kind of reminds me of like a candy wrapper, that sort of look. So these look very, very fun, very, very unique. I am also particularly excited to try these out. These are in a kid leather. Now they do make a Napa leather black Soacate, but just it being able to try them out in a softer material, something that isn't the patent, which is what I mostly have, that will be a little bit different. See if these might want to break in a little bit easier, see if they're more comfortable, more easier to wear, because I do intend on making a buyer's guide in the future for a first-time buyer. Now let's go ahead and check out the other one. Basically the same thing happening. Something else I really like about these, I like when Louboutin does this, is when they do a limited edition shoe and they make the lining match. I think that's really, really fun. So these, if anyone is interested, the color is called Confetti. I'll leave a link down below where it's available. Not too many sizes are available left online, but they still are available as of filming this. So if you or someone else you might know would really, really enjoy these, I'll leave a link down below to some of them. But other than that, that is my new pair of Soacates. I will get into the try-on momentarily, but first I wanted to thank everyone for watching this video, and I wanted to thank everyone for supporting me on Patreon. I appreciate every single one of you, and if you guys do check me out, I would definitely appreciate that as well. Any money that I make from that goes directly to this channel to help make more content in the future for you guys. So thank you once again. Now I am going to get into the shoes. Here we are in the Confetti Soacates. Mr. Louboutin was very spot on with naming these Confetti. because when I look at these, I immediately think of sweet treats. I definitely get candy wrapper vibes, like I mentioned earlier. I am reminded of things like birthday cake, party favors, and just something about these is very whimsical. Now, if we're talking about whimsical shoes, I do have a pair of Psychic Red Loubis that will not be featured in this video because they are too big. In this video, we are going to be looking at ones that properly fit. So hopefully in a future video I can show off a properly fitted pair of Psychic Red Loubis, but the ones that fit will have to make do for now. So in case anyone is wondering what happened to the Psychic Red Loubis, they're just chilling in my closet until I can replace them. But onward to the next pair of shoes. These are the Roccia Socates. These I got on sale from Spring Summer 2022. These are very fun because, well, snake print is fun in general, but these, when they hit the light, they can give off like a rainbow reflection. This is something that Louboutin does fairly regularly with his designs, is that he will create iridescent looking shoes, which I think is definitely unique, something very exciting. It can definitely amp up a look, since these shoes, being black, white, and gray, can look kind of basic with the color pattern, but then when you see the sun hitting it and then you see that sort of rainbow effect, it really takes it to a different level, which is so unique, so much fun. You don't see too many designers doing that, and honestly, I don't know why. Now, here we are with the OG, the tried and true. If you are new to my channel, then fun fact about me is that my first ever pair of designer shoes ever was a black patent pair of Louboutin Socates. Now, the sad part about this story is that I accidentally got mine a whole size too big. So, if you are here because you are wanting information about how to properly size your Socates, have no fear, I have a whole video designated to the subject where I try these on a properly fitted Socate, then I try on a pair that is a half size too big, since that seems to be the trend, is going up a half size for some weird, strange reason, I don't know why, and then I show a pair that is a whole size too big. So hopefully, if you're in the market for a pair of Socates, or just Louboutins in general, you don't size it incorrectly and wind up paying for it later on like I have. So here we are in my nude Socates. These are the result of having the most generous subscribers ever. I mentioned in my Patreon that I was really wanting to get a nude pair of Socates, and at that time I just couldn't afford it, since I am the type where I will rarely pay full price for a pair of designer shoes, and these were going to be very hard for me to find on sale or at a lower price. So one of my subscribers generously got a pair of the nude Socates for me, and I am honestly so overwhelmed and taken aback at how generous you guys have been with me, just really making my shoe dreams come true. So because of you guys, I can honestly say that I am the proud owner of a nude pair of Socates, and hopefully my collection will grow in the future thanks to you all. But onward to the next pair. Now these are one of my favorite pairs of Socates, the Loubi red. It's all that same shade of red throughout the shoe. It's so fun. It's the most wonderful pop of color wearing anything. These, once again, were a gift from a very generous subscriber. I am just over the moon appreciative, and I appreciate every single one of you who has either just watched any of my videos, who has subscribed to me, who has subscribed to my Patreon. So thank you everyone who has supported me through there. If you have not checked it out already, I would really appreciate if you did. It is only $3 a month, and that goes towards helping me achieve my shoe dreams and sharing them with you all. So I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching this. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next pair of shoes. Bye.